199 pesos lang, authentic Korean food na 24 hours pa. Wait, totoo ba to? Tara, let's check out Seoul Canteen. So guys, pumunta kami dito for lunch and grabe, parang nag-Korea kami without the plane ticket. Yung vibe, legit Korean canteen. Parang sa K-drama na napapanood ko sa Netflix. Now, here's the deal. For only 199 pesos, makakakuha ka ng 4 dishes, 1 soup, 1 rice, and sunny side up egg. I got macaroni, braised potato, jeyuk, odeng, and the seaweed soup. Tapos alam nyo ba, they have more or less 20 different Korean dishes to choose from. Meron silang fried chicken, bulgogi, japchae, tteokbokki, fried kangkong, different kinds of kimchi like fresh kimchi, fried kimchi, zucchini kimchi, grabe ang dami. At yung lasa, legit Korean. Hindi Filipino twist, authentic Korean dishes talaga. And the best part, they are open 24 hours. Midnight cravings, breakfast, lunch, dinner, anytime pwede. And the place is clean, organized, may server pa to assist you. Good for solo, dates, barkada, or family bonding. You can find them at number 14 Don Meliton Avenue, Friendship Highway, Anunas, Angeles City. Near Clark's Friendship Gate, beside Blooming Angel Cafe ha. So mga kabalen, ready na ba kayong mag-Korea for only 199 pesos? See you sa Seoul Canteen.